One of the greatest fears as a family historian is to turn on your computer and there is an error message, hard disk failure. Or if you're tidying up your documents folder and you accidentally delete your Family Tree Maker data folder. Instantly in panic, you ask yourself, when did I back up my family tree last? Well, with the Tree Vault Emergency Tree Restore service, we've got you covered. The Tree Vault keeps a complete cloud copy of your tree updated every 15 seconds, ready to hand back to you if your hard drive should crash or some other catastrophe strikes. Once you've repaired or replaced your computer and reinstalled the Family Tree Maker program, you can launch the Emergency Tree Restore service. You can do this from the Plan, New Tree area and launch the Emergency Tree Restore from Tree Vault. Or from the Tree Vault menu, you can choose Emergency Tree Restore. The screen offers you a solution depending on what type of catastrophe you're recovering from. If you had a hard drive failure and you're now wanting to restore your tree on the new computer you're on, you choose My Hard Drive Crashed. Now you have two choices to download your tree or download your tree and media. Let me explain that. When you upgrade to Family Tree Maker 2019, or you're an existing Family Tree Maker 2019 user, you'll be able to take advantage of all the Tree Vault cloud services and mobile apps with a Tree Vault subscription. Tree Vault subscriptions start at $1.99 per month for data only, and $3.99 per month for data plus your media as well. Yearly pricing discounts are also available. If you have a Tree Vault subscription media plan, you'll also be able to restore your media along with your data. Otherwise, you'll have to get a copy of your media from your Ancestry online tree or from a cloud backup such as Dropbox or Google Cloud, or from an external hard drive as long as you have a recent backup. That is why a Tree Vault cloud service subscription with media makes restoring your tree easy and automatic. You won't need to go hunting for media folders and files in one location and then figure out where you put them on your hard drive. You'll have your data and media safely together in the Tree Vault if ever you should need it. So I just simply choose to download a tree. This will download a complete copy of your antenna tree to restore a local copy in your Family Tree Maker program. It's as simple as that. Now there will be other catastrophe situations where it's not a straightforward download of your antenna tree. And with that, there are Tree Vault Emergency Restore Specialists on hand to assist you with restoring your data and media. Whether it's that you deleted your tree by accident or some other reason, you can simply click and it takes you to a page to be able to connect with someone in live chat 24 hours a day to be able to help you get through and restore your tree and get you back up running and researching your family history. With the Emergency Tree Restore service, this is like an insurance policy for peace of mind, knowing you have a copy of your most complete tree kept safe up in the Tree Vault. Check out the other Tree Vault videos for further details on each of these Tree Vault apps and services.